How you doing today? My name is Mike Smith here with Crandall Office Furniture, and here we have the components of our Think chair all laid out for you, and I will show you the quickest and easiest way to put it all back together. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the core of the chair first. We're going to have it in this position just like this. We're actually going to grab it and flip it over. So it's going to look just like that. So we've got the seat front on the bottom and the back of the chair right here. All right, from here we're gonna attach the cylinder to the cable mechanism. And we're gonna show you a little close-up first, and then I'm gonna go back and do it the correct way. So what we're looking to do here is take this cable right here. See that? And we need to attach it to this cylinder. So as you can see, it's gonna go on only one way, with it hooking into the small part first and then clipping in to the back. Okay, so here we have the cylinder again. I'm gonna do one more close up. We're taking the small end of the cylinder here. We're inserting the cable end into the cylinder first, like so. And then we are just clipping the plastic part into the back of the cylinder. See the angle? Just like that. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like when it's finished, but we're gonna do this after we put the cylinder in here. So we're gonna do this on the top side of the chair right here. So here's what that looks like. All right, so here's the most important part. We need to put the cylinder in the correct way. We need to put this part right here directed towards the tape I have here as a marker. So what it's gonna look like, this cable's right here. As you can see, it comes out right here. See that, Ryan? Right there?
Yep.
So we need to match up the cylinder, the small end, with that cable. So it's gonna look just like this. So small end of the cylinder facing this way, away from the cable, and pushing it in. All right. Now we're gonna look right down in here, Ryan. It's gonna be hard to see. But we're just taking that same cable. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to that cylinder. Alrighty. Let's just get here so I can see. Alrighty, so here we have it, the first. Let's start.
There you go.
All right, so there we go. So we have it just like that. Now we just need to clip in the plastic piece, just like so. And our cylinder is all set. Okay, so I'm just gonna test the cylinder again. I'm gonna push the paddle down to make sure the cable is connected to the cylinder. So here we go. And as you can see, the cylinder works, so the cable is connected correctly, and we're all set. All right, the next step is to just attach the base. So here we have our 5-star base. Let's go ahead and throw our casters on real quick, one at a time. And they just go ahead and pop right in. Alrighty, that's what it's gonna look like. We'll come over here, put that right over the cylinder. All right, from this step here, all we need to do is put the chair on its casters. Okay. All right, so the last step here is to install the back, and I'll just give you a kind of a close-up of what that's gonna look like. So we're looking to put the back in right here is where it connects to the chair. And as you can see, it's gonna line up on these 2 points right here. Alrighty, so I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Go ahead and back up a wide angle, and then we'll do maybe a close-up later. So we're gonna get from behind the chair. Okay, so the little trick I like to use when putting the back on, I like to put the back right on the pad itself actually. And we're just gonna line it up with the plastic frame, with the metal bar, and we're just gonna slip it in. Get them both connected just like so. Good. And we're just gonna slide it in. Just like that. Alrighty, so the last step is to just use our 2 back bolts and secure the back to the chair. We're just gonna get that into place. Just go ahead and hand tighten right now. Swing the chair over. Make sure that's all lined up. And we'll use the T30 bit that's included with your parts product. And we'll just go ahead and tighten those up, and you're all set.